Wow, everyone. December is getting much towards the end. It's incredible. Ay, ay, ay. So, what will help to us, I think, each day with making, good with our wheelchairs and working with other people, what we're doing with the wheelchairs, and we're good. We're not side after and gone. No, we're here. We're doing great. We can listen. We can help and give support to others in doing what we have. And I think people, we have a lot to many people, and so many we have for ourselves, making for the better, our Ford, Ford. But sometimes people think they're stuck with us because sorry, but we are a wheelchair, so we're a less person, and then we can't do this and we can't do that, we can't do get up. And is that true? We have a lot to give to others, and for them to know what we have, and for I think that's the thing as a wheelchair user, that we're a user person. We're just a person, and we have sorry, but we have a wheelchair that is uh, 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 something that's going to be helping us. But otherwise, we have uh, a, a a person giving support to many others, because they think that, oh my God, you have a wheelchair. Oh my God, what are you going to do? And oh my God. It's like, stop it already. The wheelchair just give us life. The wheelchair will give us life, but I am full of life. And so you don't have to worry. So if it's once in a while, we're going to have to look for some organization and stuff to help us for our wheelchair, and see if our wheelchairs are going to help somewhere else. But other than that, we're doing all kinds of stuff. You know what I mean? We're in, you know, December, and we're almost done. And that's the end of becoming the end of this time. And we're going to start with the let's see if I can say this. Um, as you know, I'm still learning how to say this, but I'm going into the January. See, I can see it. I can say it. January 2026. And imagine that. So, and it's really coming, and it's beautiful because it's going to be for mountains, and I grew up myself in mountains. So I knew this things that we can think of ourselves. What is beautiful? What is beautiful to begin with, and also, then there's going to be still your wheelchair, but but still, as a human person, uh, you know, they're something that you can give. And I saw some wheelchair people recently, and there I wanted to talk to them, recently, so they know, and just keep on telling their stories. And there's this woman who's about her story, and I'm gonna get hers busy, and so that she knows also that it's good. It doesn't matter if you have a wheelchair or not. You're a human person, and you have the reason to ver. No, I can't get this one, but I do it. But 2025 coming to a different change. How was your 2025? How was it? You know? And for wheelchair changes in terms of where to get it that's better, you know, how can we all together begin to talk about wheelchair needs can get better for us? And the wheelchair will help, but the biggest thing is for us. It's for me, for you, for the next one. You know what I mean? So you'll have, let's say, wheelchairs. You can get your need one. Let me see. There'll be clean, there'll be clean wheelchairs. They will be maybe a different way that you want to put in your wheelchair, that'll be more, and then your whether it is oops. So, that is when I do that a lot. I jump things. There we go. So if you are a person who feels that it's very cumbersome, that it's not the one you want, or it's not working for you, and put out those ideas. There's recently a gal that was just talking about cleaning, and for us, and it was great. So I put in some ideas that I could think, but and all of us can put some ideas of people or a person might come in to clean up stuff and help for you to be faster. And we're done. And as a person, we can do other stuff. And there we are in wheelchairs. For ourselves, we might go a little bit slower, and some of us we might go faster. you know, I have what is it? A special bus that might be taking me. If I want to go place, things like that, and I have to use for my wheelchair, or where's my wheelchair, or if I have to go to a different type of wheelchair, so whether it's manual or it's the other one. So it just all depends, and I can get out. I can get out and go out there. So I just wanted to begin to to learn and to be able to say things more. And so what about you and your wheelchairs? Your wheelchairs need to be better, or does or yourself? So sometimes we're, oh my gosh, a wheelchair, I gotta get in there. oh my God, in the wheelchair here, and oh my goodness. But, but it's not you. It's not the wheelchair. It's not the wheelchair, you know. So then, your health and your person is ready. It's getting ready for a different person, you know. So don't let the wheelchair to be less or to just, you know, that can't do anything because of the, if not, the wheelchair, blah, blah, blah. No, you know, your person becomes your bigger, your special person. See what we just did this, mess this up? I messed this up. Okay. So, you know, December, what does it look for the rest of us who, what happened to our year? What happened to the year? Is it better now? Does it have a different way? You know? And I was doing just fine during the the whole year. I thought it was fine. And yesterday, and was it a couple of weeks back, I got really a bad one. So they had one special one that was fine, and then all of a sudden, boom! You know, I ended up hit. So now I have to work, you know, with this, that I'll get better and I'll be able to, you know, say things better, and I have all these other things that I'm doing, and it's like, oh my God, so that I should be talking better, and how, what is your sicking in this? What is it better? And your wheelchair, what does it tell you? And what is it? Is it for you now, or is it more for you? You know, and you have family, you have friends, and you have, you know, work, and you have maybe something at your house. This other guy, or this person that I just met, and put some information in, and kind of what I thought that might help, but we'll see. Because it's not everybody who can, you know, come into your house and help you with the wheelchair, remember? So, and that takes a little bit, you know, and if you have the, you know, the big months, sometimes they can really come in with some ideas and give you a support about this, and that's great. But you have so much, that so much can be, you know, for others, even though you're a wheelchair user or not. But you are a person and someone who has special stuff. Special. You have a special person. So as December, who will you be for the next one that's coming up? Jen, see if I can say this again. Oh, nope, not this one. See, it's not easy. Ah, January. So in the January, looks it for you. What does it look for you? I was able to say it. We're in January, and this is going to look beautiful. Of Jown Tins. Not 100%, but it'll be better. How is it you? It's going to be what it seems like. Yep, like that's going to work. And how do you want? How do you want? How do you think? And there are what other people have and they need from you. So think about it. And I've been working already one wheelchair user who is showing our YouTube, and they have their YouTube ideas, and so I'm starting to go over there for them because their ideas are great. So let's try this upcoming January 1st. Let's see what it looks. All right. Take care, everyone. Enjoy it. Enjoy with family and friends. Take care.